guys, so thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane and I am in Delhi. Please excuse all the sound. Hi Bozo. Hi, that's my baby sister. And reporting live from my nanny's kitchen right now. Yay, 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 yay. I'm loving the weather here, by the way. And also, the plan of action for today is that we are going to Delhi Comic Con, which I wasn't really going to go to, but then it's like a sudden plan, so yay, I'm so excited. So right now, we're just going to have breakfast, just chill for a while, have our lunch, and then leave for Comic Con. I really hope that I bump into someone from you, because that's the only reason I'm going there. And also, this little one wants to go. Ma, एक बार फिर से hi बोल दो. Hi. How are you? Hi. Love, love. Love, love. So yeah, bye. Oh my god. Now, so the beauty of this is that mom makes the exact same dish at home, but then it's not the same. You know what I mean? This is like, what is it, Kimaya?
धनिया.
Dhania. Yes, it's so nice.
आपको मेरी उंगली दिखाई दे रही है?
सबको आपकी उंगली दिखाई दे रही है. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm ready. What do you guys think? Oh, by the way, this is Priya.
What's up?
Hi. And you know this chimp.
Hi,
She's been everywhere lately. So yeah, we're going to Comic Con. Yay. By the way, don't I look like... Huh? Okay guys, I've reached Comic Con and look who I met!
Hello.
It's Heyman! Oh my god, he's been commenting so much and he's so sweet and he has a
awesome
channel.
To meet her.
Yay.
It's so awesome.
And he also has a channel. His channel's called Heyman_T. So you guys should check it out if you like game freaks or something. So
Thank
yay!
you.
So that's one. I hope I run
Thank
into
you
a lot
so much
more
coming
people.
from you.
Okay, bye. So all my excitement just died. We're like very excited. We ran our way to the entry and it's closed. They won't let us in. Apparently there's a lot of crowd inside. And I shouldn't really have leaked that I'm being there. So yeah. Jokes. Okay, bye. Comic Con was a lot of fun. It was so great meeting so many of you there. I wish I could like officially come though, but that didn't happen. Never mind. I'm sorry the light's so bad.
Hi.
Yeah, okay. So we are at Nehru Place at this place called the Chatter House and it's very pretty. Check it out.
They got Jägermeister patty.
Can you see it?
They got
Yeah. It's really nice. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here. The weather's amazing. It's really chilly now. It wasn't that chilly when I came in yesterday though. I look really bad right now. We're trying very hard. We all suck on a whole new level. My men are not obeying. Look at my men. They are not obeying. Don't do that. Hey, so we're on our way back home. We dropped Padmaja and Piyush Bhaiya, and this is suppose you haven't met him. This is Deepo Mama.
Hey, come on.
This is Vix. He's actually my mom's youngest brother, but then he's like more of a buddy. He's not like a mama-ish vibe that comes from him. Anywho, so now we're driving back home and it's really cold and I love it and we just had ice cream, so it's amazing. And yeah, I guess that's about for day one. Yeah, tomorrow, however, I'm doing something very special in the morning where I'm going to take you guys with me. So it's going to be fun. I don't want to tell it to you right now, but I'm sure like in the next jump cut you'll see it anyways. So yeah, good night for now. Bye. Hey you guys, so I'm here already. Look at this pretty wall. Okay, that's not important though. Look who it is!
Hi.
It's Komal and you guys know her as Delhi fashion blogger. Look how
all
chubby she
yellow.
is. Look how chubby she is. Yay.
All chicks.
So yeah, the fun thing that I was telling you guys was that I am shooting a collaboration with Komal and she's shooting a collaboration with me. So yay!
Pretty all the time.
Yeah, all the time. So it's a very amazing idea which I'm not going to tell you about though. So you guys have to wait for those videos to come out. That's all for
I
now.
sound like such a crazy person. Okay. Yay!
Chalo bye.
Tata.
So we just got done filming the video and look what she's up to. Ford. She Fodder. She's making spaghetti in spicy sauce and cheesy buttery garlic bread. Oh my god, I love it. So yeah, we're just gonna eat and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll let you know, but right now the video was hilarious to shoot. I hope you guys like it too. I can't wait for it to be up on the channel this Thursday. So yeah, bye. Oh my god, you guys, check this out. It is so amazing! The video that we just shot, if that ruins your YouTube career, you should be a chef. Excuse me. Hey you guys, I'm really sorry I haven't vlogged after I left Komal's place, but it was so amazing meeting somebody so she's pretty big, right? And I'm very new to the circuit, but she was really sweet and she's so humble and she's so down to earth. If you guys haven't subscribed to her already, you should. Her channel's called the Delhi Fashion Vlog. I loved it. And we had this after shooting we actually had these heart to heart conversations, where we shared stuff, which was pretty amazing. So yeah, that was nice. It was nice meeting her in Mumbai and then meeting her back in Delhi. So yeah, that's about it. My family is so supportive. Anywho, after that I guess I just went to visit my cousin because she just had a minor accident and she's kind of got a really deep cut on her legs. I didn't really want to vlog that. She was really shabby and sick and injured. And now I'm back home with someone extremely special. This is my slightly better half. That's Barkha Didi. She's she's a huge part of the reason why I usually visit Delhi. Though she gets really busy these days and we really don't get to spend as much time as we used to before, but it's still a lot of fun. Okay, so I guess that's about the vlog, guys. Yeah, it's Tuesday already, by the way. It's 3 in the morning. So I'm gonna go to sleep now and I'll put this up ASAP. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And I will see you on Thursday with something very special and I think it's pretty fun. So let me know if you like it. It's very different. So until we meet again, love.
Love.
Okay, bye.